Hello traders, and welcome to Trading with Bill at tradingwithbill.com. Great to have you with me. My name is William Gilday, and yes, I am Bill. Today's great to be with you. It is on a Monday, brand new trading week, and it's great to be back up and running. Traders, we've made some changes and things are going to happen, hopefully for the better. We are going to start doing some new stuff, traders. We're going to start talking about options and Forex together. We are moving ahead and we're going to make our investments and profitability more as we go into another instrument, trading options. We'll talk about that in just a minute. Traders, if you would, please let me introduce myself to you. My name is William K. Gilday, and I've been trading the Forex market from the year 2006. Traders, I retired from the Fire Rescue Department out of the great state of Florida in 2008. Traders, in 2008, I retired, and 9 days later, I was on the Big Bird. Absolutely. Over to Thailand for a 3-month vacation. Traders, it's 2014, and I am still in Thailand. What a great place to retire. All right, so I trade Forex, and I trade options, and I trade mostly the S&P 500, and I went away from it for a while, but I am back into it. I've been doing some trading before I said I would go back into the public light of trading options, but I'm doing well, and I think I can now spread some experience and some knowledge and hopefully help you guys out. I'm going to give you a website later on that can help you and read this Option Guru website. This guy is really, really good. He's got some good stuff, and we'll talk about that in just a minute. So traders, it's great to be with you. It is a blue sky and white sandy beaches over here in Pattaya, Thailand, and it's a beautiful day. Traders, let's talk about the risk disclaimer really quick. Forex trading has a large potential rewards, but also a large potential of risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the Forex markets or any other market. Do not trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Traders, make sure that you're trading with money that is safe for you, and don't be trading your rent money or grocery money. I mean, that's like crazy, right? So if you got to do that, go find a demo account. We'll talk about some platforms as we go through our presentation today. It might be a little bit longer than our usually 10 to 12 minutes, but we'll see how it goes. Might be shorter, but a lot to get out there. It's new. We're starting up new. We're doing a lot of new things. I'm going to be on YouTube. We're going to Facebook. We're going to try to get some traders out there. We're going to jump in full steam ahead. Really excited about the changes, and it's great to be with you. All right, so let's dive into this a little bit here. Let's talk about options. Okay, so we're going to start talking about options, and what we're going to do with the options move here is we're going to start trading the S&P 500, and we're going to be trading options and possibly some other stocks. We're looking into that, and I think that's not a bad thing. And we're going to be trading the daily chart. We're not going to be trading intraday. Now, I know that's selfish on my part because of my time zone. Basically, New York stock market opens at 8:30 at night for me in Thailand. And of course, that's 9:30 Eastern Standard Time. And I don't want to be in an intraday trade because I really don't want to be in front of my charts at 2, 3 in the morning working on a trade. So we're going to be trading the daily chart. I hope nobody gets offended by that, but it's just logical for me. I'm an early riser, and I do a lot of stuff between 5:30 in the morning and through the Asia session. So I can't be in front of the computer 24/7, guys and girls. So we're gonna be doing daily charts on options. All right, let's take a look at the platform that I use. Traders, this is the Think or Swim platform, and I really hope that wherever you are, you can obtain at least a demo account so you can follow along with me. I will give you the website where I've got these are MACD and the stochastics oscillator that this Option Guru uses. This guy's name is Jeff. So we'll go, and I basically copied his chart setup, and they work really nice. So if you can, get the Thinkorswim platform, get a demo account. It's an excellent platform. I've had a Thinkorswim platform for like 3 years now. I've been with them, and great service, quick executions, and you can do a lot. And we'll get into that in depth as we move through the week when I start to show you what to look for, what not to look for, and different trading opportunities as we go forward. But really excited about going back into trading options. Like I said, we're going to be trading the dailies. So basically, you only have to look at your chart like maybe a half hour, an hour at the market open, and that's it. And then you just put it away till the next day and go check it. And we're going to check it every day. Now, we're going to get in the market before that, but we're going to check our trade every day at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's 9 p.m. Thailand time, Bangkok time. And fortunately for me, there's no different time zones in Thailand. It's one time, and that's it, which is great. All right, so that's enough about options. Hope you're going to get excited about going into doing options. I'm excited. I think it's a great avenue for us to do and make some changes. All right, here is the Forex charts. Traders, I tell you, I have a hard time today getting some charts today. The market is absolutely flat. Some of the currency pairs, I do a newsletter on 6 currency pairs every day, and I have to tell you, I started right about, it was about 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I started doing the newsletter, and I couldn't find nothing out there. It was really hard to find a chart that I can talk about that had some movement. And in fact, this chart you're going to see, there's not even a lot of movement on this one, but at least I can talk about something, and it's a pair that I really enjoy trading, and it has been the ATM of Forex in the late. Okay, let's head over to it. This is the pound dollar, guys. The pound dollar, and this is the daily chart. And as you can see, nice move to the upside. And it's bullish. I know you all thinking, Bill, you got to be crazy. That looks like it's bearish to me. It's not. I'd say it's still bullish. This is going up. Yeah, it had a swing down there for a while for those 7 days. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles to the downside. But kicked right back and headed back up, just fibbed the entry of that, which we normally see. We call it a double tap. Hit that and continued to the upside. And we made a higher low today at opening of markets today. So I'm in for the up move, and I think this is just bullish all the way. So we're going to stick with it. Also, look at where we're stuck at. We're stuck at this 1.6800 price level. How many times have we been there, traders? Many, many times we've been at this spot. So that's a good indication here, and we just need to clear that. We'll be able to get some trades to the upside on the pound dollar. The issue here is, to be point blank, is that we have the pound that's strong and we have the dollar that's strong. So we're trading a currency pair that is strong against strong, and we really don't want that, right? You don't want that in any kind of trading. You want weak against strong or strong against weak, but you don't want strong against strong. It's like putting 2 heads of 2 magnets head on each other, right? So you really don't want to do that. So we'll take a look and we'll see what happens. But it was hard finding a currency pair to talk about today. Okay, let's go over to the 1 hour chart. Here's a 1 hour chart. This has a lot on it, and just it's really not that difficult. This is the hour chart. So what we're going to do here is we're at our fib. This has come down, and we're at our fib, and basically, we want to take this up. You can see to the right of the chart where current price is, that little green arrow to the upside. We want to take this up. And you can see, I wrote there that if you look at those 2 powder blue lines, that's our range. We have a 20 pip range on this pair. I mean, have you ever heard of the pound dollar with a 20 pip range? Absolutely unbelievable. But it is. It's in a 20 pip range. And, we had the big red candle that was NFP, New York closed, and now we're back into Asia. Don't be surprised if your candles at the current, your candles should be the same. On the daily chart, it might be different because my charts are opening at my local time, which is Bangkok time, and most charts change days at the Tokyo Open. So don't be alarmed with that. It's just that my charts are opened at Bangkok time. All right, look at the 200 exponential moving average. We're in this nasty range, but we want to take this to the upside. We have to get past that resistance there. And once we get above that green arrow, we can take this to the upside. You can see where my take profit area is. You see where the stop is. And this is, depending on where you get in, it's probably just going to be like a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. I'm not really big on the risk to reward ratio thing. as long as you got good money management and you watch your charts, you're going to be fine. The other thing to watch for is look at on the bottom of the chart, the Williams %R indicator. That is at the -20, and we have to keep an eye on that because this might be turning back to the downside, which probably is going to say that we might stay in this range for today being Monday, as there's no news out today, right? Okay, we'll talk about that in a minute. Let's head over to the 15-minute chart, and you think this was ugly? Wait till you see this one. Yeah, this is pretty bad. There's just no price action here, and this is absolutely just flat out flat, and we're just going to have to see if the London Open gives us some opportunity to get this trade so we can do some pips today. But I have to be honest with you, this looks pretty bad at the current time. So as far as the 15-minute chart goes, no trade. There's no price action here, and I don't foresee any coming as we have holidays in the Eurozone today and Australia. All right, let's go to the last slide. This is where I put all 3 slides together, traders. We're going to be doing this every day, where all 3 slides are put together. This way you can see the daily chart and the 1-hour chart, and then the 15-minute chart. I will talk about more about that blue box that says settlement. Those are deviation levels, and we will get into that heavy. This is a great tool, absolutely fantastic tool, and you can get it for free on whatever trading platform you are using. Whether you're using MT4 or using a different platform, you can get these deviation levels for free. Traders, I use the NinjaTrader platform. I strongly recommend the NinjaTrader platform. You can see I have a little arrow down there to the NinjaTrader. Really, traders, that's not for you. That was for me, to remind me to tell you about NinjaTrader. And I just want to let you know that, trading on a NinjaTrader platform is a pleasure, and it's, when you have to be in front of your charts, you might as well be in charts that you like to be in front of, and NinjaTrader is the way to go. It's easy to use, and they support over 100 different trading platform brokers that you can trade with. So there's a good chance that your broker is supported by this, and you can trade live right off your NinjaTrader charts, which is absolutely great. And if you don't want to do that, they have end of day, which is free data. End of day, free data that you can get on your NinjaTrader platform for free and not even have to buy a license. All right. Well, traders, I want to thank you for visiting me and hanging out. I think this is really going to be a lot of fun. I think we're going to get some interaction here. I'm not too sure what we're going to do in reference to the live trading room. At the present time, it's closed. Just didn't have the traders in the room, and I don't think we're going to get them for the options part because, like I said, we're only going to be in front of the charts for maybe an hour. I'll take your feedback on that. If you send me an email, you can always go to my website and give me some feedback and tell me if you want a live room. I'll be more than happy to put a live room up for the New York session for like the first hour, the first 2 hours at the most. You all tell me what you think is best and what's convenient for you, and we'll be more than happy to do that. Traders, it's a Monday. Remember, there's a holiday in Germany, Switzerland, and France today, so the European session has a good chance that it's going to be pretty lackluster today, and no high-impact news data today, all low impact and medium impact. Please check your economic calendar on a regular basis throughout the day so you don't get hit if you enter into a position today. Traders, you can always visit me at tradingwithbill.com, and I appreciate that, and I would love to have your feedback. Also, if you would, head down to the bottom of the YouTube page there and give your opinion, whether you like the video or you do not like the video. And I am open for criticism, good or bad, because it's all good at the end. We just want to make it better for me and better for you. Traders, thank you so much on a Monday. Take care and bye-bye.